Welcome back Canva Brothers in a brand new video. Today we are going to design a shoes poster for ads, so without wasting time, let's start. First, go to the color section and add yellow color to the background. In the next step, we will take a shoes print. You can download this image from my Pinterest. The Pinterest link is in my description. Reduce the image transparency to 21. Now we will upload the shoes image and then change its angle. Go to Edit, then click on Shadow, select Drop, and then adjust the settings. Now enlarge the image and adjust it accordingly. Go to the text section, add a heading, and then type, "Shine Ever Step." For this, use the Agrandir font style. Adjust the text settings, make the text bold and italic, and then increase its size and set it to 199. Change the text color so that it creates contrast with the poster. Now add mini details to the poster. This will make the poster look more professional and neat. Change the text color to black. Reduce the text spacing. Duplicate the text and type, "Order now." Go to Effects, select the background, adjust the settings, and then change the color. Change the text color to white. Add a subheading, type Warner & Spencer, and then adjust it. For this, use the Poppins font style. Now go to Elements, then type Simple Running Shoes in the search bar. Select any icon, then adjust it accordingly. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.